No human mind could have produced this book, and the proof is undeniable. It spoke about the universe expanding, understood by scientists in the 20th century through modern cosmology. It described the heavens and the earth as once joined together, a concept explained more than 1,000 years later by the Big Bang theory. It called the moon a reflected light, confirmed centuries later through astronomical observation. It described chest tightness at high altitude, explained in the 17th century with the study of oxygen and air pressure. It detailed human development in precise stages inside the womb, observed in detail only after microscopes in the 17th century. It spoke about barriers between seas, identified by oceanography in the 19th and 20th centuries. It said iron was sent down to Earth, linked in the 20th century to meteoric and stellar origins of iron. It described mountains as pegs, understood through geology and plate tectonics in the 20th century. It placed pain perception in the skin, confirmed in the 19th century with the discovery of nerve receptors. It pointed to the uniqueness of fingertips, established in the 19th century with fingerprint identification. It refers to the ruler in Joseph's time as a king, confirmed by Egyptology discoveries in the 19th century. It mentions Haman as a figure involved in construction, supported by ancient Egyptian inscriptions decoded in the 1800s. It states that Pharaoh's body would be preserved as a sign, seen millennia later through the discovery of his preserved body. It gives precise details about Mary and Jesus, details later uncovered and examined through early manuscript discoveries. It foretold the Romans' defeat, and then their victory just a few years later, exactly as it unfolded in the 7th century. It foretold the spread of Islam, which later became the fastest-growing religion around the globe. It declared the Quran would be preserved, confirmed in the 20th century through manuscript comparison and radiocarbon dating of copies from the time of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Arabia lived and breathed poetry. Yet the Quran was neither poetry nor prose, but a unique form of divine speech recognized as linguistically unmatched from the very beginning. Linguistic studies later showed its structure follows a consistent pattern, one that does not match Arabic poetry, prose, or any known literary style. The same studies showed this pattern is different from the Prophet's own hadith, even though both are in the same language spoken by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The greatest Arab poets admitted that they could not imitate it. They were challenged to produce even a single chapter like it, a challenge unanswered for over 14 centuries. Not then. Not now. Revealed over 23 years. Across countless moments and events. Yet free of contradiction. No human from that time, with the knowledge and tools of that century, could ever have written a book like this. Science is still catching up. History is still catching up. Language failed to reproduce what it revealed. These are only a few signs from a book filled with many more. This is why the Quran is not the word of a man. It is the word of Allah.